Hello and welcome back with another strategy. And friends, today I am going to show you how you can find key support and resistance zone, and these things will help you in your trading career, because if we can find out the key support and resistance zone, then we can easily buy and sell from those zone. So let's begin with our new strategy. As today we will learn how to find our key support and resistance zone. So our today's strategy's name is how to find key support and resistance, and today we will learn how previous support act as resistance for now, and how previous resistance can be act as now support. And we also will learn how fast price breaks the level, because if we learn these things, that how fast price breaks the level, then we can know how we can enter our trades. So we will learn these three things in our today's strategy. Okay, I can delete now these things. Wait a minute. Okay, this is our Euro JPY pair, Euro dollar against JPY Japanese yen, and this is 1 hour chart. You can trade with various time frame like 4 hour, daily, but here I am showing you as 1 hour. So first, if we see here, this area, if we mark this area, like this way, first to customize, let me insert a rectangle first. Okay, where are I? Okay, if we mark this zone, then we can easily see that this is our support zone, because price come here and move from here to here at upside. So this is our support zone. Now we can see that price breaks here, breaks this range, and then again come this zone like here, and price drops from here. So we can easily say this support zone act as resistance. If we sell from here, we can make some profit from here to here. Again, if we mark this zone, watch very carefully. If we mark this zone, then we can see that this zone is acting as resistance zone, because price went there, and from there price come down from here to here. So we can easily again see that price breaks from this zone and price went higher from here to here. Price went from here to here. So this resistance zone breaks, and if we watch carefully, then we will see that again, interestingly, this zone will act as our new support zone, because this was a resistance zone. So this resistance breaks here, and again price came from here to here, and this in this zone price is going from here to here, from here to here again. And here we can easily say that here we can find a pin bar, or you can see you can tell it some doji or anything else, but here we can, if we buy from here, then we can make profit from here to here. Again you can see the power of key support zone or key resistance zone. See the power. If we extend this zone, then we can easily seeing this from here. Price again, when price comes this zone, then again price go from here to here, from here to here. So if we learn how to find our key support and resistance zone, then we can easily make some good profit by marking our zones, because we can easily say that price turns those zone in support and resistance zone, and then price comes or go again, like this way. This was our resistance zone. Price breaks from price go there and breaks from there to there. And one thing more, that at first when we start the video, then we committed to learn three things: how previous support becomes now resistance, and how previous resistance becomes now support. And we have already learned those things. But another point was there, and that was how fast price breaks the level. So if we watch carefully, then we can see that from here to here price go very fast. You can see that price come here and touching this level, price bounce from here to here, here to here. So we can easily say that if price comes again this level, and price, like if zoom out, then we can say that if price comes from here to here, from here to here, and price breaks down here, I'm zooming out, price breaks down here sharply, and then if price again go from here to here, we can sell here. If we sell this zone, then we can easily assume that this will be a profitable trade for us, because this was our previous support zone. If this zone breaks sharply now, then this will act as now resistance zone. So today we have learned how to find key support and resistance clearly. Guys, if you have any question or any queries, any comment, then you can ask me anytime at the below comment section. If you like this video, then you can hit like button. If you dislike this video, if you disagree with me, then you can also hit dislike button and also ask me any question. So for now, for today, bye bye.